Hi everybody, me again. I wanted to do a quick video on how to capture your screen on a Windows PC. There's plenty of apps you can download on the internet, but they're normally full of adverts if they're free or you have to pay for them. But lucky for us, Windows have included a free app to do that. It's called Xbox Game Bar. But you don't have to control Xbox games with it, and you can control what's going on your screen. So the way to get to that is either using the Windows menu and searching for Xbox Game Bar, or you can press the Windows key and G, and that will open that up for you. So you can see here it opens up a couple of tabs at the top. The main one on the left is the one that you're interested in. This button on the far left, if you click that, it will take a picture screen grab of whatever's on screen at the time, and then the button on the right will start recording. So if I hit the left key on that, that's going to start recording. You can see the status bar comes up. You can see how long your video has been recorded for. Here you can stop it, and you can see on the right you can also activate your microphone. I've left mine off for the purposes of this demo. So if you then go to your screen, and I'll just move around so we can see that I've captured some video of the screen, and then if you press stop, you'll get a notification from the app that there's been a recording. Just left click on that, that'll take you back to the Xbox Game Bar app. You can see here there's a snapshot of what you've recorded. You can press play on that, and you can see that that will start to move, which is your screen grab. You can also let's just pause that. You can also open the file location. So if I just click on that for a second, that'll open up the Windows menu. You can see here's my captures. So I can play those, I can share those, I can upload those to YouTube or social media, for example. Let's just go back. So that takes us back to where we were a few seconds ago. If I close that down, a couple of other things worth showing you. On the settings bar at the top, left click on the cog wheel. There's quite a few settings. Take some time to have a little explore, but just a couple worth pointing out is the shortcuts tab. So you can control everything on this screen grabber via Windows keyboard shortcuts. So this was the one I talked about earlier. Windows key plus G will open and close the game bar. And if you look at the bottom, there's also another one here to stop recording, which is the Windows key Alt plus R. So they're quite handy. And if you don't like the ones as defined, you can enter the shortcuts as you'd prefer them. Another one worth looking at is personalization. So mine's currently set on the dark theme, but you can also click on the light theme if that's what you prefer. Personally, I like the dark theme, so I'm going to leave that selected there, and then just click on the X at the top to close out the settings menu. That's really all you need to know. It's very powerful. It's included for free. No need to download anything and get a load of ads on your machine or have to pay. So anyway, hope that's helpful. If it is, I'll see you in the next one. Take care, everyone.